My name is Jiří Balej. I'm head of IT in Strojmetal Aluminium forging company, and we have implemented ALVAO system in order to make our IT department more efficient. So to make sure that our colleagues in IT department are not anymore overloaded with tasks. We have improved visibility of the IT tasks in the system, and also one of the most benefits of the system is that we are able to effectively report status of our IT work and show to our management that the IT department is not just a black hole for money, it's working effectively and is bringing value to the company. As said, the reporting via Power BI and also ability to load balance work within the IT department.